you one last question, otherwise wala.
Wala na siya mention. Sorry, hindi ko siya na-mention. Yeah. Kasi dalawang E, tatlong M, RV. Sorry. Oo.
Pero sa local man, si Johnny Basco.
Yes, oo. He has been there for President Duterte since sa pinakaunang takbo at election ni President Duterte, and we are very thankful sa kanya doon sa Davao City. So we support him in his campaign and candidacy as Governor of Bohol.
Mayor PDP
For Bohol, ang amo ang local alliance partner, and amo ang partner sa campaign for the senator is Governor Gina Basco.